In this video, we'll take a look at interval coding. Coding at intervals of fixed length is a great way to get quantitative data about what people are seeing in a given video. To get started, open a project as you normally would, add a video, and at the bottom left of the timelines, there's a little gear. Click on the little gear to reveal the options. Select interval labeling with the checkbox. Then at the top of the gray box, you can choose single or double press mode and select a time for your code. Single press mode will allow you to press just once a hotkey to lay down a code. Double press mode, you will have to press to start and stop the code. And lead time lays down a code in advance of your actual press to allow for reaction time. Next, in the bottom half of the screen, you can select how far apart you would like your intervals to be. This can be anywhere from a second to 60 seconds or more, and they will be represented by a red line. Note that the red line only appears when the space between them is at least several seconds apart. This avoids the whole thing just becoming a blob of red. By clicking on interval action, you can decide if you'd like to play a sound or stop play at your interval. You can even change the volume and upload your own custom sound. You can also stretch the appearance of your timelines and compress them by adapting the timescale at the bottom right of the timeline window. When you're ready to analyze your video, you can play it, and at your interval, the video will either stop or play the sound per your setting. If you're in single press mode, the code will appear evenly divided left and right halves on the time interval, and this will be for all coders for perfect statistical alignment at the interval. If you, however, choose double press mode, the code will begin when you press the hotkey and end when you press it again. This allows a little more customization. If you should have any questions or suggestions for us at vNote, please let us know. info@vnote.org. info@v-note.org. Thank you so much for using vNote.